Hi, I'm John Noder, Director of Government Affairs for ISSA, the Worldwide Cleaning Industry Association. This is your update on the top 3 legislative and regulatory issues impacting the cleaning industry right now and how you can get engaged. Topic 1, vaccine mandate in flux as lawsuits fly. The Biden administration has recently asked the Federal Appeals Court to immediately lift the stay halting the COVID-19 vaccine and testing requirements for private businesses, warning delaying implementation of the policy would cost lives and lead to increased hospitalizations. Additionally, there are a number of other lawsuits aimed at various aspects of the various mandates out there. The administration is also asking the Federal Appeals Court to expedite the schedule and rule on the lawsuit. And it is widely expected that the Supreme Court will have to review this. ISSA has summarized the key aspects of the emergency standard on ISSA.com. We suggest, though, however, that employers who are subject to the mandate get educated and prepared prior to the January 4th, 2022 enforcement date. Topic 2, government funding is expected to run out on December 3rd. Congress is expected, however, to pass the stopgap funding bill this week to avoid the initial government shutdown. But the debt limit is also looming in the background. Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen has said the government could hit the debt ceiling as early as December 15th. This would require Congress to raise the debt limit to avert this fallout from this crisis. And lastly, ISSA is asking for your input on the top legislative and regulatory issues facing the industry. It'll only take 5 minutes, but we invite you to complete ISSA's advocacy survey for 2021. By doing so, you will be helping to guide the association's positions on important policy issues that impact your business and to help us better advocate on behalf of the full cleaning supply chain, as well as gauge the overall interest in ISSA's government affairs program. As a thank you for participation, all survey respondents will be entered to win a trip to the 2022 ISSA Clean Advocacy Summit. This was your Cleaning is Essential, 3 things you need to know right now for the week of November 28th. If you would like to receive ISSA's free legislative and regulatory e-newsletter, go to issa.com/take action and sign up to become an advocate for clean today.